Everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minutes. So as you can see, I have something on my face. These are the Barber Pro under eye patches. So a lot of us suffer from issues under the eye area like dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, or just looking tired in general. So if that is you, then this is a great product to consider adding to your routine. That can be used as part of your regular routine, or if you just need a nice little pick-me-up, if you've had a late night, and you need to look good the next morning, or if you have a special event, or just for relaxation if you're having a spa night or whatever, then these are a great little add-on. So it's 2 patches, as you can see. There are 3 pairs in each of the little packs that we sell on the website. A lot of customers actually buy these by the dozen, so that's how good they are. It's just a quick little 20-minute anti-aging treatment. You apply for 20 minutes and then you're done, and it's going to help to improve skin tone, elasticity, target that under eye shadow that you see, and just overall make your under eye area look more refreshed. So yeah, they're on the website shopmasc.com, and of course in the store in Vancouver as well. And I'll just show you once you're done, all you need to do is go like that and you're good to go. Thanks for listening.